Hello everybody, this is Bill from Amped Airsoft. Today we have a $100 Amped Airsoft mystery box. Definitely not a gun. Well, I mean, it could be a pistol, but judging by the weight, doubtful. So, without further ado, let's get into this. First thing I see is packing slip. We're going to skip that. So, first up, we have, what are you? You are a Momex holster. What are you for? If it's Glock, Sig Sauer, CZ, left hand. Alright. Next up is, what are you? Oh, PTS low profile QD sling swivel. Nice. And then we have a 2-point sling, black. Uh-oh. An Amped Airsoft sticker. And then another sticker down here, a little black one. What are you for? So we have a drum mag, 1500 round, for the ARP9. Oh, I wonder if this will fit in my Lancer, my Battle X. Nice. We're gonna go EGM. What's that? Let's open it up and find out real quick. So it says $65 on this for this one. No instruction manual. This might just fit my looking at it, it may fit my MP5. We'll have to see. But yeah, so prices breakdown. The mag, drum mag 65. The sling point it says 12. No price on the 2-point sling, but I'm gonna guess around 15-ish. Per fit holster. No price on that. Let's see here. Oh, 26. Oh, 26, 30 for the 2-point holster. Oh, so they adjusted this holster to ensure that the AAPO1 would fit. How did they do that? Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, it is a drum mag for the MP5. Nice. Like I said, PTS low profile QD swivel. And a LBX tactical 2-point sling. So the drum mag was 60, the swivel sling was 12 bucks, the 2-point sling 20, and the holster, or no, sorry, 2-point sling 30, and then this holster 26 for a grand total of 128. So not bad. All in all, a very good box. I guess I'm not going to have to reload that much on the field. Sweet. Alright, thanks y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay safe.